the chairs down. Maria, give me some chips.
No,
Why are you so angry?
no more.
No more.
Show finished. I said.
Lisa, you motherfucker, was doing that to him with me.
Give me my change.
Hey, money.